सो हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू ऑटोराउंडर्स। दिस इज सतीश मंडालिया और आज का दिन काफ़ी स्पेशल है। आप देख सकते हैं कि हमारे पास दो फॉर्च्यूनर खड़ी है और फ्रॉम फ्रंट लेट मी आस्क यू कि व्हाट मॉडल दिस इज़। ये टाइप 1 है, टाइप 2 है, क्या है वो आपको गैस करना है, बिकॉज बोथ दीज फॉर्च्यूनर्स दे लुक लाइक टाइप 3 बट दे आर नॉट टाइप 3.
Yeah, what's good, bro? You popping out tonight? You playing the crib? I know your ass probably staying in the crib, nigga.
Say no more, you already know.
Pop out, nigga.
I'm on my way.
Never stop, never settle. I got Henny all in my cup. I'm on top, I'm on a level, yeah. I'm tryna get to the back. Got it on lock, got it on smash, yeah. She tryna holler what's up. I'm with the shits, this how it is, yeah. When you on your way up, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way. Yo, some gushers in the crusher. Now that's a head buster. Yeah, she bad, but I don't trust her. Probably think I'm gon' cuff her, but I ain't no lover boy. All these girls love the boy. Shout out to my Uncle Troy. He bout to have another boy. So enjoy just.
Sorry?
So the paint which you do on the
No, that is, we can't match this. This
No,
is
no.
all, these are machine finished. We will do gloss black.
gloss.
Yeah.
Does that look good? Gloss.
100%.
Or silky.
Silky?
Satin.
Satin? No, do it gloss. Don't worry. I'm telling you, it will look good.
You guys are taking some pictures here?
No, so I just generally like you like go to Bangalore, right?
Yeah.
So
You want my card?
yeah, so that's right. So that's the customer, all the way from Bangalore to Mumbai, and therefore type 1 will be converting into type 3. Very well, I think discussed and designed. We'll be doing it in Napa. So I don't know what brings you like from all the way from Bangalore to Mumbai.
I think as soon as I saw those YouTube videos, right,
Okay.
and the way you guys are explaining the kind of work you guys have done, I
Okay.
think that gave me a lot of confidence.
Okay.
And I'm sure a lot of professionalism
Thank you.
built into that one. I think you guys have a lot of experience around this one. Just by looking at that one, so that brings me. In fact, I want to go to Hyderabad, but then I decided I want to meet you guys, right? With Satish and Dhawan. I thought I'll meet you guys, and I know it's personally this is like a very thing for me, right? I have my other cars also.
Correct.
But Fortuner is my this thing, right? Very close to my heart.
Okay,
So
okay.
I want to give the best for this one.
Great.
I don't want to get rid of my car. So that was one of the reason, and then I was searching, right? And I showed you guys some of the pictures which I has done in Kerala and all.
Yeah.
But the reason which I came here just looking at the kind of work you guys have done and the quality of the work. So those are the things which
I hope you got enough choice also.
absolutely, yeah. I mean, you
For
guys
interiors and
no,
everything.
not only that, right? The way you guys have explained right now, right? The availabilities right now, a lot of choices in terms of both in interiors, exteriors right now, what kind of options you have right now, right? That usually, and that time I spent here, the time you guys spent with me, right?
It was a pleasure.
Absolutely, yeah. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you for coming all the
Thanks,
way.
Satish.
Thank you.
Thanks, Dhawan. Yeah. Yeah. So
Cool. So leather is confirmed, right?
Yeah, it's confirmed.
Okay. So then we'll order that. Right now, also there is a leather. But that leather versus this leather is the moment you will sit on Napa leather, you will not like any other car.
We've done it one or
Yeah.
two.
Even I think
your.
हाँ अभी तक तो कितने सब 2 फॉर्च्यूनर हो गया, ई क्लास हो गया.
Quite a few person.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hater plotting my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac probably dollar sign. Got the energy to win in my I'm feeling great. Got a date with destiny, focusing on my fate. I don't give a what you rapping, you been a fake. I'm everything that they ain't. It can't be, it won't be. Wanna see me fall, I can't go, I won't leave. Coming from the block with plain clothes and police. Straight up to the top with bankrolls and rollies. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ay.
I'll see, depending on Patara, if not,
अच्छा हाँ
depending upon how you can do.
Okay.
Up to 10 o'clock I'm planning to drive,
ओके
9:30 10.
हाँ then you will reach Satara easily.
Then next day it will become easy.
Correct.
Right? Otherwise I have to start.
Yeah,
If I had my, right, the plan was Girish, my other friend Naveen, we thought stay here 3 days, wanted to again enjoy Bombay, then go to Goa 3 days.
Now तो you should because everything is open.
I know, that's the reason actually, but then unfortunately his mom passed away. So
Clouds till I can't feel like. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like.
सो हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू ऑटोराउंडर्स, दिस इज सतीश मंडालिया। और आज का दिन काफ़ी स्पेशल है। आप देख सकते हैं कि हमारे पास 2 फॉर्च्यूनर खड़ी है और फ्रॉम फ्रंट लेट मी आस्क यू कि व्हाट मॉडल दिस इज़। ये टाइप 1 है, टाइप 2 है, क्या है वो आपको गैस करना है, बिकॉज बोथ दीज फॉर्च्यूनर्स दे लुक लाइक टाइप 3 बट दे आर नॉट टाइप 3 एंड दिस हैज़ बीन डन बाय ऑटोराउंडर्स इन मुंबई। वन इज़ इन ब्लैक, वन इज़ इन वाइट। This has come all the way from Bangalore to Mumbai and this is also from Pune to Mumbai. So दोनों गाड़ी में सेम काम हुआ है, but let me explain you first about this black color Fortuner. So we have modified this Type 1 Fortuner to Type 3 और इसके अंदर फ्रंट के जितने भी पार्ट्स आप देख रहे हैं, ये बोनेट है, ग्रिल है, हेडलाइट्स है, बम्पर है, each and every part is brand new and we have replaced them. Along with that, फुल कार हैज़ बिन पेंटेड इन पेंट बूथ मशीन यूजिंग जर्मन पेंट मटेरियल। तो ये गाड़ी की आप फिनिशिंग अगर आप देखेंगे, आपने वीडियो में देखा भी होगा कि इट इज़ लाइक अ मिरर। सो दिस हैपन्स बिकॉज द पेंट मटेरियल इज़ जर्मन ब्रांड। ऑल्सो व्हेन यू पेंटेड इन द पेंट बूथ तो आपको काफ़ी अच्छा रिजल्ट मिलता है और बहुत सारी चीज़ें इसमें एक्सक्लूसिव की है हमने। अगर आप इसके अलॉय व्हील भी देखेंगे, सो दीज आर नॉट द स्टैंडर्ड अलॉयज, इट्स अ 17 इंच अलॉय, आफ्टर मार्केट अलॉय, बट दे लुक वेरी वेरी गुड। गाड़ी का लुक कम्प्लीटली इससे चेंज हो जाता है और जितना एक्सक्लूसिव वर्क हमने बाहर किया है उतनी अच्छी चीज़ हमने इंटीरियर में भी की है, बिकॉज दिस फॉर्च्यूनर हैज़ जेन्युइन नापा इटालियन लेदर एंड गाइज दिस इज़ ओरिजिनल नापा इम्पोर्टेड फ्रॉम इटली एंड लेट मी शो यू द इंटीरियर ऑफ दिस कार। सो लुक एट दिस इंटीरियर गाइज। ये जो सीट कवर, जैसे मैंने आपको बोला, कस्टम मेड सीट कवर है। दिस इज़ नॉट लाइक रेडीमेड, कम्प्लीटली कस्टम मेड, इन हाउस, एवरीथिंग राइट फ्रॉम स्टिचिंग टू कटिंग, एवरीथिंग इन हाउस हुआ है और ये एकदम ही सॉफ्ट मटेरियल है। और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपकी गाड़ी को आप कम से कम मतलब 5-6 साल तक रखना चाहते हैं एंड यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ वेरी कंफर्टेबल राइड, देन डेफिनेटली यू शुड ऑप्ट फॉर दिस। इट इज़ लिटिल एक्सपेंसिव बट गाइज वर्थ इट है। इस पर बैठने का मज़ा ही कुछ अलग है। सो दिस ऑल द सीट कवर्स, आर्मरेस्ट, एवरीथिंग इज़ इन जेन्युइन नापा लेदर। स्टेयरिंग व्हील भी आप देख सकते हैं, हमने इसमें टाइप 3 फॉर्च्यूनर का स्टेयरिंग भी अपग्रेड किया हुआ है। तो गाड़ी का इंटीरियर भी एकदम ही अलग हो गया। इट लुक्स वेरी वेरी लग्जरी। Even we have installed Android player of DHC. Complete interior is done in black color, 70 matte, ambient lights. जो भी कुछ इंटीरियर के लिए अवेलेबल था वो सब कुछ इसमें किया हुआ है। इवन रूफ भी हमने ब्लैक किया है टू मैच विद द एंटायर इंटीरियर थीम। सो गाइज, आई कैन वेरी प्राउडली से दैट दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट फॉर्च्यूनर मॉडिफाइड इन इंडिया, वेरी टेस्टफुली डन. कहीं पे भी आपको ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि बहुत कुछ ज़्यादा कर दिया. जो भी किया है क्वालिटी काम है. सीट कवर्स नापा जेन्युइन लेदर, वंस अगेन वन ऑफ द बेस्ट जॉब व्हाट हैज़ बीन डन. एंड इन केस आप चाहते हैं कि आपकी गाड़ी में भी ऐसा कुछ आप कराना चाहते हैं तो डेफिनेटली हमको कॉल कर सकते हैं. हमारा नंबर फॉर मुंबई 7666 फॉर हैदराबाद 7666 बोथ द प्लेस बिलोंग्स टू ऑटोराउंडर्स. एवरीवन उतने ही ट्रेंड है, उतने ही एफिशिएंट है, तो आपको क्वालिटी में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा. इन केस दीज 2 नंबर्स आर बिजी तो आप हमें व्हाट्सएप भी कर सकते हैं 8425808080. और लकीली अभी हमारे साथ हमारे कस्टमर भी है मिस्टर श्रीनी. सो लेट्स कनेक्ट विथ हिम टू चेक कि ओवरऑल उनका फीडबैक कैसा है. सो लेट्स मीट हिम गाइस. सो मीट मिस्टर श्रीनी all the way from Bangalore to Mumbai, and now we'll take his feedback about the overall job experience with Autorounders and the quality. So hi Srini, welcome to Autorounders, and thank you first of all to give us an opportunity coming all the way from Bangalore, and I want your genuine feedback about the work, so please.
Hey, thanks. Actually, like what, 8 weeks or 10 weeks back, when I left the vehicle, I was not even expecting that this thing will come out like this, right? Amazing job. Fantastic work, actually. I was thrilled, actually, as soon as I saw my vehicle. I was like, wow. I mean, that was, in fact, exterior is like that. Even interior, the way it came out right now, amazing, amazing. The work, actually, I mean, I couldn't make out right now, right? It's my vehicle and all. But again, I saw the reviews in the YouTube, actually, one of your YouTube channels. That's the reason I drove all the way from Bangalore, right? Everybody is like, all my friend circle are saying, hey, are you kidding? You're taking the vehicle all the way from Bangalore to Mumbai to get this job done. But I know, based on your thing, the reviews and all those things, I think you guys have exceeded my expectations right now. I'm sure my family will be thrilled to see this vehicle, actually. Excellent work, actually. I mean, there's no words, actually, to think right now. I express my thing right now, happiness here. Absolutely thrilled on this one, actually. Thanks a lot, Satish.
So this
wonderful
is what
job.
makes our day. Thank you
Absolutely.
so
Thanks
much
a lot.
once again.
Thanks
Thank
a
you.
lot. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. And we will see you in Bangalore soon.
Absolutely, yeah. Thanks a lot.
So guys, do subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, or as I said, one of the best Fortuner that has been modified by Autorounders, and I think even in India. So thank you once again for watching this video, guys.